Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Marissa. And today I'm going to be showing you my Dollar Tree and Walmart Christmas haul. And most of the stuff that I bought is either decorations or ornaments. And lately I've just been in this Christmas mood, and obviously it is almost Christmas time, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I found and maybe give you guys some ideas. So here we go, let's get right into the haul. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Dollar Tree items. So here we go. I got this really cute cookie tray, and it's just this plastic, and it's got these really cute candy canes, those little circle mints. And then I also bought this other cookie tray, and it says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." These two would be super cute for Christmas time. Okay, so these other items that I found, these paper plates, and they have just like the little snowflakes. I thought that was really cute because we'll be having Christmas here at my house. So this will be perfect for social gatherings. I didn't know that they sold candy canes there, but apparently they do, and it's the Cold Stone candy canes, ice cream flavored. So they have the strawberry blondie, the mint chocolate chip, and birthday cake flavored candy canes, which is pretty interesting. I've never seen that, so I'm really excited to try that. And I also found these really cute cards. Do not spend a lot of money on Christmas cards. Dollar Tree sells so many cute cards. I'm giving these away around Christmas time to everybody that I know. And they also have this really cute like coffee mugs. They're called holiday mugs. These you can actually give as gifts, but I'm gonna give this to myself because I love coffee and I need a Christmas mug, so I thought that was really cute. And then these are like not Christmas items, but I just thought I'd throw it out there. I also sell e.l.f. makeup products, and they don't sell very many, but I found like a really cute lipstick, and it's just the color Sociable, and then the eyeliner pencil brightening, because Walmart actually sells e.l.f., but they sell it for like $3 to $10 to $20, so I thought that wasn't bad for $1 each. And then they also sell ornament hooks there, so if you guys need some, go to your Dollar Tree. They're only $1, so not bad. Okay, so next item is just this really cute Christmas bow. I'll probably be hanging this on my door. I also got another one. They sell this really cute red one. They're very sparkly. I thought they were very cute. I found these really cute little, oops, it's like falling apart already. Okay, I could fix that. I could just glue it myself. But yeah, they have this really cute tree decoration piece, but it looks like you could just hook it. Oh, it's supposed to be like an ornament apparently. I'm not sure, but I thought this was really cute. I'll probably just hang it around the house. And then they also have the same thing, but like an elf. I thought this was super cute. I love elves. This is so adorable. I also found these really cute little tree, I'm not sure what they're called, but you just put them on your table, and I thought that was really cute. The garland material, and it looks like they just wrapped it around like a tree. And then I also found this really cute ornament. It's just this penguin. I thought it was really cute. And again, it's that garland material. That's super cute. And then these are like non-Christmassy items, so I'm gonna just show you really quick. I just found these really cute flowers. I thought they were really cute. I'll probably be doing like a video on something with these. You guys will see soon. And then also they apparently sell like face masks. Oh, they're peel off gel. And you just put it on your face. I don't know how safe that is. And then I also found bath soak watermelon and aloe. So I thought the packaging was really cute. So I'll probably take a bath with this and see how it goes. I want my bath to smell good. This will be perfect. I found these really cute barrettes. I thought they were really adorable. They're just snap clips. It's got this gray and turquoise color. And I also picked up a makeup sponge because I actually love using these. So I saw this at the Dollar Tree. I was like, yes. And it has these cute little glitter inside of it. So I thought that was really neat because mine is getting really disgusting. So this will be perfect. So I found these Wet n Wild makeup brushes. And then I have one like this already. But it's getting kind of disgusting. So I went ahead and picked up another one. I also found these really cute pearls beads. I love like doing different crafts. So this will be perfect, especially around the holidays. And I'll actually be doing a tutorial pretty soon with some of these beads, but you guys will see pretty soon. Now we're gonna get to my Walmart haul. It's very small. So the first one is just this really cute little glove, and it's got these cute little topper things. I thought that was really neat. Just hang it up, and it has like the hemp little string to hang it up on your tree. So I thought that was really neat. Okay, so here's the next ornament. Is these cute little skate ornament. I thought it was really cute. It has the really cute bow on the side. I mean, I used to ice skate when I was younger, so this kind of brings back a little childhood. Next item is this really cute ornament. It's a little wreath, and it's got a little cute little tree, and it has little ornaments on there. It's super adorable, and it has a little pine cone in the middle of the bow. So I thought that was really adorable. Walmart is where it's at with these ornaments. They do cost about $2 each. I thought it was worth it. And then here's the next item. It's just this really cute present box ornament, and it has like this really cute pine cone in the middle, and then these little cherries. It's gonna look really nice. Next ornament is this really cute, I don't even know what this is called, but it's like a metal brown material, and it's got little pine cones just on the top. So I thought that was really adorable. Okay, so I got this really cute ornament. It's just a little mailbox, and it says letter to Santa, and it's got a little bow on top with the little cherries on the side with the pine cone. That was really neat. My kid will probably end up putting stuff in there. Okay, last ornament is just this really, really cute little polar bear skein, and it has a little scarf wrapped around its neck, and then it has like a little backpack on the back. Isn't that the cutest? Last little items are just these little bows, and I will put them on my tree. So they're just like little bows that you could actually just tie on your tree, spread them all out, and I will show you guys a picture after when it's all done. My haul for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love buying things from the stores and showing you guys because it's always fun for me. And you guys will be getting more Christmas videos pretty soon, so I have a lot of ideas up on my sleeve, so please look forward to that. And also, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also like this video and follow me on Instagram at Marissa Fashionista 101. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.